sir. And yes, welcome on stage. And of course, next up, folks, you know what? The director for Lightning Returns Final Fantasy XIII. And yes, this person has been with Square Enix since 1994. And it's none other than Motomu Toriyama. Can we give Mr. Motomu Toriyama Good evening, sir. Konbanwa, irashaimase. Lightning Returns Final Fantasy XIII Creators Event. Watashi no name wa Anderson desu. Doso yoroshiku. Alright, so yep, that's as much Japanese as I can turn out. So what's happening right here is, together with yes, Carmen, who would be doing the translation, we're going to move on to the next segment. Alright, so just very quickly, I would like to just pose some questions to both our VIPs right here today. Alright, so yeah, my first question is,